Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a minute since I've made a YouTube video, but I'm back. Don't mind the empty apartment because I just moved into a new place and I don't have my furniture yet, so that's why it's super empty and I'm just literally sitting on the floor in front of a window to get the best lighting. So in today's video, I'm going to do a little review on a hair styling tool that I bought on Amazon. It is, let me make this focus. Oh, wrong side, that side's plain, okay. Here it is. So I bought the Allure hair waver on Amazon, and a lot of people compare this to one that they sell at Sephora. I believe it's Amika, and it's like $120, $130, but this one on Amazon is only, I think it was $39.99. I don't remember, but I will put the price right here for you guys on the screen, so you know. But so anyways, I've never even used a hair waver in my life, so this is gonna be really interesting, but I thought I would try it with you guys and show you how it works for the first time and see if it's worth it. So I'm gonna try out this bad boy and we're gonna see if it's worth it. And I'm gonna try to make this video like as short as possible because I am getting ready to go out with some friends. So I'm gonna plug it in and turn it on. I wonder if it's one setting or, okay. So it goes all the way up to 210 degrees Celsius. Oh, and it has like a countdown timer that tells you like how many seconds until it's heated up, I think. So I'm actually not gonna use it on the highest setting just because I don't normally do that because I don't wanna fry my hair. So I'm gonna put it on 180 and hopefully that should be good. So it says 54 seconds for it to heat up and then we're gonna start. Okay, so it is heated up. That heated up really quickly. First thing I'm gonna do is spray my hair, spray some heat protectant, of course, all over. So then I'm just gonna take my hair and I'm gonna separate it like half of my head, and I'm gonna put the top half up in a clip so it is out of the way. And then we are going to focus on this bottom half. You're full of confidence and cheap color. I just got done doing it. That was like super easy and quick. I just took kind of like, I don't know, like inch or inch and a half sections, and then I held it. I started at the top and I held it there for like maybe 10 to 15 seconds. You could probably hold it for 20, but I'm impatient. So I did that like 3 times on each section. So like top, middle, bottom, and it was super easy to do. Like, and it makes these really pretty beachy waves. I feel like maybe if I like mess it up a little bit, it might look a little better. I love it, I think it looks really great, but like in the front, like right here, I don't know. So I might even like, just go like, there we go. Now we're talking. Okay, it's like all on my face. But my point is, once it comes out a little bit maybe, and I kind of fluff it up a little bit, I think it's kind of really cute and wild, and it's like the perfect summer beach look. Like this might be my new look for the summer. I definitely think that it's worth the money. That was like super easy and quick to do. It literally took me like 10 minutes and that's it. And amazing beach waves. So I'm a fan. I hope you guys like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and stay on the lookout for my next video. Bye. And I'm like Shakira hair once I flipped it over, right? Am I right?